friends, we're back. Here it is. Okay, it's really, I can't really get it. Okay, there it is. It's really nice. Oh, there's my, I'm gonna have to move this out of the way real quick. Let's put that one right there. Okay, so like I was saying, oh crap. Okay, hold on, you guys. Okay. Sorry about that, guys, but anyway, there it is. You kind of get stuck to your tape, like Jessica, though. See, like, it's stuck. So, really like that. It's really good. It's like, it's at least, oh, there. See me? Hey. So, like I was saying, I will be just showing you again the slime. So, I hope you guys enjoy it. So, I'll see you tomorrow. Love you. Bye. Oh my gosh.